A half-inch long indicator point should replace the standard indicator point. Once again, do not over-tighten. Carefully insert the needle into the probe holder, immediately followed by the indicator. Sometimes the fit is a little tight, so you want to hold the split ball while you put the indicator in. We want to turn the indicator on, rotating the face so that you can read it, and then proceed to insert the indicator until approximately 30 to 50 thousandths of deflection is seen on the face of the indicator. Then tighten the pinch type clamp. This is done to be certain that when the probe is unrestrained, the indicator spindle is in contact with the probe needle. Now we're going to calibrate the gauge. First, refer to the indicator instructions or video explaining the operation of the indicator. We'll step through that quickly now. We need to preset the indicator to 1 inch. We also want to be sure that the indicator will read in reverse direction. Loosen the clamping screw on the probe housing just enough to allow the probe handle to turn. We want to make sure that we position the split in the probe perpendicular to the slot in the front of the probe. Next, place the end setting stop on top of the probe housing. Holding the end setting stop in place, gently push the indicator up until the face of the probe contacts the inside surface of the stop. And you'll feel the resistance and hear a little sound. Tighten the clamping screw on the probe housing at this point. This will ensure that the probe protrudes enough from the top so that the flat that's purposely ground on there will contact the dome in the proper position. Now that we've removed the end stop, we can place the setting ring in place and press the set momentarily to show our preset value of 1 inch, and then momentarily one more time. Remove the ring and repeat this several times until you see consistency in the reading. The gauge is now ready for use.